Hey there, are you always short on time and looking for quick and easy meals to make? Look no further. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 foods with recipes that will help you save time in the kitchen. First up, let's talk about the hummus and chickpeas. These little legumes are a great pantry staple to have on hand because they are quick to cook and can be used in a variety of dishes. For example, you can make a quick and easy hummus by blending together chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. Simply add all of the ingredients to a food processor or blender and blend until smooth. You can also add in any additional flavors or seasonings you like, such as cumin, paprika, or roasted garlic. Or, you can toss cooked chickpeas into a salad, add them to a stir-fry, or mash them up, and make veggie burgers. The possibilities are endless. Next, let's talk about frozen vegetables. These are a great time saver because they are already pre-cut and ready to go. Simply toss them into a pan with some oil and your choice of seasonings, and you have a quick and healthy side dish in no time. Frozen vegetables are also a great option for when you're short on fresh produce. You can use frozen vegetables in soups, stews, and casseroles, or even blend them up and make a healthy smoothie. Just be sure to thaw them out first or add them to the pot frozen. Third on the list is pre-cooked rice. This can be a lifesaver when you're in a rush because it's already cooked and just needs to be reheated. You can find pre-cooked rice at most supermarkets in the rice or frozen food section. Simply heat it up in the microwave or on the stovetop according to the package instructions, and you have a quick and easy side dish. You can use pre-cooked rice in a variety of dishes, such as stir-fries, burrito bowls, and rice bowls. Simply add in your choice of protein and vegetables, and you have a complete meal in no time. Fourth, let's talk about canned tomatoes. These are a great ingredient to have on hand because they are versatile and add a rich and flavorful base to many dishes. You can use canned tomatoes to make a quick and easy tomato sauce by simply heating them up in a pan with some garlic and herbs. Or, you can add them to soups, stews, and chili for a boost of flavor. Canned tomatoes are also great for making homemade pizza sauce or for adding to a batch of homemade pasta sauce. Just be sure to choose a high-quality brand and opt for the low-sodium or no-salt added option. Finally, let's talk about pre-made pie crust. This is a great time saver because it eliminates the need to make your own crust from scratch. Simply roll out the pre-made crust, add your filling, and bake according to the recipe. You can find pre-made pie crust in the baking aisle of your local grocery store. You can use pre-made pie crust to make sweet pies, such as apple or cherry, or savory pies, such as quiche or chicken pot pie. Simply add in your filling of choice and bake according to the recipe. You can also get creative and use pre-made pie crust to make savory tarts or galettes. The possibilities are endless. I hope these ideas have inspired you to keep these time-saving ingredients on hand.